welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK. And I'm Plush2x, the happy queen. Yes, this is nice pins right here. Two nice pins. And my natural hair with my gray streaks. Anyway, today I'm going to teach you how to make mango juice. It's also the way to make mango smoothies, but I'm not going to put as much. I'm going to put more waters because I'm making mango juice, not mango smoothie. Also teach you how to make mango custard. So, okay, it's all the same way. I already made the mango custard because it's easier to make the mango custard before you make the mango juice, because when you make the mango custard, you know, it's thicker because you don't add water to it. You just add the mango slices and then it's got all this residue. And instead of wasting it, I'm going to put some water, rinse it, and then make the mango juice with it. So it's more convenient and you don't waste your mangoes. Alright, if you don't know what a mango look like, here is mango. Ooh, it comes in, you can have a smaller size, you have a bigger size. So yeah, it looks like this. Now, normally, what I normally do, the way I normally eat my mango, I normally cut it and, you know, I leave the skin on and then I eat it out of the skin. But when I'm making the juices, it's easier for me to peel the skin off with the peeler. So yeah, I peel the skin off because it's easier to get more of the mango off the skin than to peel it with, you know, with your hand. So when you do the peeler, you get less of the mango on the skin and it's easier to slice it. Also, you can see, try to get as much of the puree off of the mango so you can get some of the liquids, so it makes a better, you know, sweeter juice. So, and yeah, you still have some to suck off of this one here. It's still going to be some puree that you can enjoy off of it. Okay, so like I said, I've already made the puree. You just add like a few slices, you blend it, and you get this right here. This is the custard. It's so good. Refrigerate it. It tastes so good cold. You can also freeze it. When you freeze it, it makes a nice frozen dessert. So yeah, it's delicious. Now to make it juice, of course, you're gonna blend it, but add water and a little bit of sugar instead. I like cold water because it makes the juice colder right away. So I refrigerate my water already. Also, you can actually freeze your mango too if you want a smoothie, because it makes it like nice and thick and puree, but not like custard, but like a smoothie way. You can freeze your mango or add ice to make a smoothie. But I'm not making a smoothie today, I'm making juice, so it's going to be more liquid. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Then I pour it in my nice little container here so I can just drink it down. And you have yourself a nice, delicious mango juice. Yay! This is also good if you add some pineapples to it. You can make all kind of fruits with it, and it's delicious. Okay? Alright, and it's simple, healthy juice that you can make at home. They charge you a lot. I don't know if y'all know how much smoothie costs out there. They're up there from anywhere from $7 to $10. But yeah, just get your fruits, get your blender, and hook up your drinks. But yeah, but sometimes obviously we're not home conveniently to make our own juices. So it's good they do have those smoothie spots out there, and I would buy it. So yeah, stay tuned for more Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. Have a nice day. Bye. Mwah. Happy Queen is check it out.